Non-linear animation. Non-linear animation.
Optimize is the only package that we could find that could handle all the complex layers of animation, all the computations we had to do.
And Softimage has been a great answer for us on a variety of fronts. We can bring people in, they feel comfortable, they can express their artistic individuality, and it shows up on the screen. It's a very effective medium for an artist.
You can express your own creativity, your artistry, without going into some technical maze.
I'm more of an artist and not a hardcore number crunching type person. Hardcore.
Something that an artist could sit down with and then really do some amazing stuff. So, on both hands, it speaks to the artist and the engineer. The propeller guy. The propeller guy. The propeller guy.
It doesn't stall your artistic approach.
One of the reasons we went with Simon.
The computer-generated Godzilla was being created, it worked so great that we used it much more than anticipated. Softimage in this movie because we knew we would need to make a really believable, really detailed animated character.
thing at ILM is that our folks consider themselves artists first and technicians second.
Well, you need a tool that is reliable, you need a tool that is fast. The obvious strength of Softimage in this project obviously was the possibility to do everything from start to the end.
That would certainly be an effective tool to learn how to use to advance your career.
I would say without Softimage, that kind of animation, that kind of people setup wouldn't have been possible. Wouldn't have been possible. Wouldn't have been possible.
Yeah, I gotta go back to a normal life.